First, good day. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually use a website. Being a beginner, you can actually use a website to design flyers, posters, birthday posters, or ebook cover, or any flyers that it is. You can actually use the website as a beginner. Now the name of the website is PosterMyWall. PosterMyWall. You can see on my screen here. I actually have the PosterMyWall here already. I just save it on home screen. It's actually a website. So that's what we are going to be doing today. So let me go to Chrome now. Go to Chrome or any search engines you have on your phone, and then you click on the search, type it, PosterMyWall on your phone. So that's it. This is it, PosterMyWall. So you can see this is over 700,000 free posters templates, and then you can see free flyers also. There are many of them. So they are called templates. They are actually posters that you can actually edit by yourself. They are customized posters that you can actually edit yourself. I'm already in the website because I have my account there already. So if you know, you as a beginner, you just need to create your account first, so that everything you save from now on, it can actually save on your local storage on your phone. So what you do now is to create your account. So I advise you to create your account with your email. It can actually be Gmail or any other email you have on your phone. So create your account with it, and then after creating your account, it will log in you in back, and then that is over here. After you click on create design button, you will see it. Then you click on the search button. You click on the search button to look for the event you are going to you want. You can actually see them here. Birthday flyers. So maybe perhaps we click on the birthday flyers, or we click on the search button and then search for the birthday flyers. So since we have the birthday flyers already, so this one over here is the birthday flyers. So today we are going to be treating how we can edit it. You can see it. So you can actually bring many other birthday flyers, and we can actually make use of the editing button and then edit them as we want it to be. So this one now, I think we are going to be using this one, is in landscape mode. One straight like this, maybe like this for example, is in that pencil mode, is for editing. Now you can see it as load. I advise you to have a good network connection, and then you must make use of this save button that is over here at the top. The save button that is over here. In every section that you edit, make sure you would click on this save button, so that maybe there's some network issues, some glitches in the network. Your edit can just, maybe you've been working for like maybe it's 20 minutes and then you did not save it at all, then everything will just leave there. So now we have buttons under here. We have the first button here, add. We have one button here with size. The resize button is for cropping. We have one animation button here. We don't really need that because this is just a flyer. We have this background. We really need to change the background. No, not for today. So we have title. If you want to put title there, maybe you are just beginning your editing. And we have this button called create. Let's check it. Now this one actually works for placement of your text, placement of your picture, or any other thing. You can see, let's click on this API. You can see the formation it is. You can see on the line, it is inside the line. So it's work for the correct placement of your text and actually for your edit. So we don't actually need it now, so we are going to off it back. I just on it over here, so I'm offing it back. Then we have folds, we have grades, we have loader buttons here. Because I'm not clicked on the image, so this is at the button that are under here. It might actually be on your right hand side of some people's phone. So, also, I mean, now you can actually click on anything you want to edit there. I've clicked on this API now. You can see the button under here has changed. Let me click on my screen back on the white space. You can see it has changed. By clicking on this API now, you can see it brought edit, text, font, size, fill, style, duplicate, position, outline. This outline actually works for the stroke. This alignment, like the placement of your text where we want it to be. This line art is for making your text to be stressed. This letter spacing also is for editing the text, for making it to be stressed somehow in a horizontal way. This one, the first one was in a vertical manner, so this one is list. We don't actually need that. This one is background. We actually need to put background in the back of this API. We don't need that. Shadow, we don't need that. So all these ones also can work. This is upper link. All this button, actually you can just sit down and just understand them. So it depends on how you work on it. So opacity is how we want. Maybe we don't want the API to appear very well. We want it to appear slightly, so we can actually reduce. Let's try it now. We want to reduce it. You can reduce it by holding on this one, draw it back. You can see the thing. The API, you can see, check the API now is going down. The color is going down. We don't need that. So I've already done that, but we don't need that. Once you do any mistake, or you don't actually want this thing, you can see up. Check up now at your left hand side. You can see one arrow going back. The arrow means undo. So you go back to your last section once you click on it. So this API is going to go back to our last section, which was color black that it was before. It's already there. Now what do we need to change here? We need to change this name. Let's press this edit button. You can actually press this edit button to change the name, and then this field is for color that you want to add in it. Let's leave it in color black. Click on this edit button. You see our keyboard is already there. And let's put, you edit it to put the name you want to attach there. Okay, once you finish your editing, writing the name you want it to be there, click back on the white space because you cannot see okay there. Click on the white side so that it can go back to your editing. Then we actually need to replace this we actually need to replace this image. Then clicking on the image, you see the buttons under has changed. Now we see crop. Do you want to crop it? We don't need that because this is not the image we are going to use. AI background remover, you can see the logo pro all over it. That's brand logo. It's for those that are pro, that are paying money to do for this website. You can see this duplicate over here. You can see positioning. How do you want to position the image? And then max. Do you want to put it in inside maybe circle form, that it will not be, the image will not be in circle form. This one is filter for colors. This one is for effects in the image. This one is for adjustments of the image. By editing the image, I don't actually need all this now. I actually can do all this adjustment and effect filters on a normal image on my image app on my phone. Then flip. Do you want it to appear? I think that is for appearing 2 times. So what we're actually looking for now is replace button. So this is replace button over here. That's what we need. You click on it, click on the image, look for replace button, click on it. Then if you go to media will only give you images that are not on your lookup file. So you click on my upload. Clicking on my upload, you upload the media you want to use. By uploading the media you want to use, we've already removed background out of the back away from this image. So we press it, upload it. By uploading it, you can see on the white place over here, it's already uploading, it's already loading. To load and give us option. Do we want to cut it? Do we need to crop it? Okay, let's just adjust this head, the space over here. Then it's adjust. You click on apply. Then the image has been set. Okay. Now let's cover the name here. So we shift the name also. The side to a little side here. So now it has been shifted and everything is now set. Another thing I want to do here is to put my handles under it. Just like the motivational quotes I used to write, I used to put my handles under it. So how can I put my handle under it? You can, let me now teach you how you can use this add button. Let's click on the add button under by your left hand side. Let's go to media. So those are the image you can get on this word. On this you can see the handle icons here. So I don't really need that now. The first thing to do is to put some, like for example background. This one over here, like background, like a square. We click on add select. So I want to make it in the form, in the shape of this poster right here. So I resize it. Now I place it under here. To do that, I actually need to put my handles there. So once or before you are done with your editing, I told you earlier that you will click on this save mode. That save button over there at the top. So it has already been saved, that's why it's marked. So now you want the image to save on your phone. Check the upside again. Beside that save, we have that 3 dots there as menu. That's menu. Did I want to resize or collaborate with one of the graphic designer on this place, or did I want to go to my stuff or create a new design? Going to my stuff is going to all the images I've saved on this website. So we don't need that. You actually see the download logo that is here. So you click on it once you are done with the image that is there, with the editing I mean. So this one is in basic mode. Their watermark will be there. PosterMyWall watermark will be there, but it's free. You can actually go for another one that is not basic, that is not free. Then you can actually save through that. Then I click this download. It's already creating my design. Okay, it has been saved already on my phone. Just as easy as that. Now, what to do now? I want to make this their watermark to leave my editing. Okay, I mean we don't need to use data to do this. So now I have to import the image over here. So how can you import the image into this place? It's just so simple. Come to this place, I just click now. Let me put the arrow over there. So this is downside. Then you go to somewhere that's the place that has from gallery. So you can see it over here from gallery. So that's where you can import the image you want to edit. As it's now going to be like background image over there. So let's try it. Clicking from gallery now. You see the image now, so we can import the image. So click gallery. So I already downloaded it and I've used my removed background to remove the background from those icons. So let me go to gallery and then I go to download. So now I have my Facebook icon there already. So I can shape it to be a smaller size. So I can drag it to this top here, this white thing over here. And then for easy setting, I can click. It's already been clicked. And then under here you see something called position. then you see it's in 6px, that's pixel. Then you can increase it, you can lower it, but let's put it in 3 now. So the icon is already done. And then over somewhere here again, you will see relative size. So we can still increase the size of the logo. I think it's more better than like that. So now we can still put this one to this side. So okay, I think it's well like that. Then now, what do we have to import again? We still have to import. Did I import this logo there? Do it. The logo has been set well, and then we've changed this one onto color black. Where did I change that? Is this side under here? That's color. Whatever you want to change, you first click on it so that it can alight, and then this color here, this is where I change the color to color black. You can actually change it to put it in any color. Then maybe perhaps we put it in this color now. It will change over here. Then changing here, you mark it. Then perhaps you don't need the color again. Maybe you want your last edit. This is the undo over here. This undo is here at the top of this place. This is the undo in this PixelLab. That means you want to go back to your last section. Let's click on it. Okay, you can see now that the box is already color black back. Now, where can we add text? You click on this one, this letter here under here by your left hand side. So you click on this add text, then you click on edit. That's where you can add any text of yours you want to add. Then to apply your color, it's so easy to apply color. I've told you before. So it's under here, color. Then can we put color? Let's put color white, since we use white black for the background. You mark it, and then this is where you can change the font. You see this font here, this is it over here. So that's it. Then you click on it, font. It's not all the font that you can just use for anything. There's a way that you use the font. Then you click on OK. Clicking on the font you want to use. Let's use this Blogger Sans. Then OK. Then now everything is already set. We've edited it. You can see the watermark there again, and then you've seen how you can actually use text and then import your logo, any of your image inside in this PixelLab. It's so easy to use. And next class we shall be treating well on it. And next video that we are dropping soon will be treating how well we can use this app called PixelLab. And then how can we now save this on our phone? You can see this, there is a save logo over here at the top of this screen here. So that's the save logo. That's actually how you can save it on your device. So let's click on it as image. Once you save as project, you save it with any name. You click on it, save as project. That means anytime you are coming again, you are going to see this. You are going to see this again. You are going to see this again in the file, the design again here in this my project. So that's where you are going to see it again. Now, but since you are not saving it as project, you can click save as image. We've saved it already as project, so let's save it as image also. Do we save it as image so it can save on our local storage? We click on the one I prefer to use so as for the image to have a very high quality in this dimension. I used to change my own to ultra, and I prefer to use a JPEG instead of this PNG. So while using this JPEG, that's JPG image format, and the quality let's make to be ultra, not default. Set it on ultra, and then the image will have a good quality. Then I click on save to gallery, and it's already saving already. Now the image design. Now this is the image on my phone, on my gallery. So let's zoom inside it. You can see how I'm zooming inside it, just because I use that ultra to save it, so it will put it in a very good quality. So you can see zooming it, I can see clearly. Zooming inside, we are still zooming inside. You can see this way it lasts. You can see it. It's when you leave it in default, it will not pick ultra for you. It might pick any other one for you, but this one is the best one. You can see now. So that's it about today's video. I hope you enjoy it.